Hello everyone. Today we are going to read a book, Birds, written by Kevin Henkes and illustrated by dronzek. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start. Birds. In the morning, I hear birds singing through the open window. Coo,
Coo.
coo.
Coo. Chip, 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 chip.
Chick, 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 ka, ka. That also, no?
Yes. Ka.
Birds can be yellow or blue or brown or red or even green, I think. See? Birds can be yellow, blue, green, red, purple, pink, whatever color, I think. Sometimes they are so black that you can't see their eyes or their feathers, just their shapes. So you see a black bird and like, oh, does she even have eyes or wings or legs? I can only see the shape. Have you seen a bird like that? Birds can be big or little or any size in between. See? Big bird, little teeny weeny bird, and all the sizes in between. Big bird, a teeny weeny bird, and all the sizes in between. Once I saw 7 birds on the telephone wire. How many birds?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 birds on the telephone wire. And they didn't move. And they didn't
Move.
and they didn't move. Oh, they didn't move. I looked away for just a second. And they were all gone. So once I saw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 birds sitting on a telephone wire, and they didn't move, and they didn't move, and they didn't move.
Can you count these birds too? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah.
7 birds.
So and they didn't move, and they didn't move, and they didn't move, and they didn't move. I just looked away for a second. They're all gone. They are all gone.
Can you see anything on the telephone wire?
Zero. Now, if birds made marks with their tail feathers when they flew, imagine if they made marks with their tail feathers. Imagine if there's a crayon tied to their tail and they make marks when they fly in the sky. Think what the sky would look like. Wow.
A little scribbly.
Oh, colorful scribbles and squiggles all over the sky like this. Wow.
Some flew like this and like this.
So I'm like,
And a little like this.
yeah.
This.
Now, if clouds were birds, the sky would look like this. Birdy clouds or cloudy birds. Or this. Wow, beautiful, isn't it? Now, sometimes in winter, a bird in a tree looks like one red leaf left over. It just looks like one red leaf in the tree. Doesn't even look like a bird. See, the tree has shed all its leaves. And there's just one bird sitting. And it looks like a leaf hanging.
Mama, I will say surprise with you.
Now, if there are lots of birds in one tree. Okay, there are lots of birds sitting in one tree. All the birds in one tree. And they all fly away at the same time. It looks like the tree yelled, "Surprise!" See? All the birds were sitting in one tree, and what did the tree yell? "Surprise!" And all the birds flew away. If I were a bird, I'd ask where all the other birds go when it is stormy and they can't get home to their nests. Where do they go? Have you wondered? Where do they go? I don't know. Maybe we should find out. Now, I like to pretend I'm a bird. Shh, 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 shh. But I can't really fly. But I can do this. I can coo.
Coo.
Chip, 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 chip.
And?
I can sing. Coo.
Coo.
Chip, 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 chip.
And also ka.
Ka, ka, ka. Can you make different bird sounds? Yeah? That's it. End of the book. Bye-bye.